Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Jenny and we're going to be talking about the 3-day sale. We are also going to be talking about a phenomenal laundry deal. Yes, that you can do any day of the week, including Saturday, because we got it all week long. And it's going to save you 50% or more. And it includes Gain and Tide, and you want to know because those are two of your favorite things. So like and share this video while you're liking it to your Facebook news feed. You can do it right now. Don't wait, you might forget. And, well, your friends are going to love you because you're going to save them lots of money by sharing this with them. And it's the quickest way to do one of the things that YouTube is asking us to do, which is get 1,000 views per video. It really helps out. So thank you for doing that. Leave me a comment, because I want to know. I want to know what my friends are up to. So leave me a comment. Let me know if you're planning on going on the clearance and what you're actually looking to pick up on the clearance. And let the video play all the way to the end, please. It's super important. That's another thing that YouTube watches. So please and thank you. All those things are so important, not just for me, but for all your creators that you watch. So if you can do those things, it's totally free. And it really helps not only me, but everybody else that watches. So thank you. And blessings. Alright, guys. Let's talk about our business now that YouTube business is out of the way. We got a 3-day sale. Starts tomorrow. And it's got lots of BOGO deals on it. And it's got a deal that's going to work out awesomely for us. And that video is coming up after this one to tell you how we're going to save money on the 3-day sale. So let's talk about what's on it. You got BOGO, Frosted Flakes, Honey Nut, Toasted Oats, and Cinnamon Mini Squares. All these are Clover Valley cereals. They're $2.75, so you're going to get 2 for $2.75. Now, unless you need these, we get BOGO buy one, get one free sales on most of this stuff right here, the dinnerware and the flatware. So unless you absolutely need these right now, I would wait for a different sale. Now, BOGO on assorted toys, $1 to $50. Buy one, get one 75% off. And you have that 5 off 25 as well. So, early Christmas shopping, now's the time. You've got BOGO on your light bulbs. Now, that might be a good deal. We don't get a whole lot of light bulb deals. So, you've got buy one, get one 50% off on light bulbs. However, you do have the Dollar Tree for dollar LED light bulbs, but be wary because they can cause fires. Alright, now BOGO, 50% off on your bath rugs and runners. Again, this is something that we can get buy one, get one free. On your Harvest, same thing. Perfect Harvest from $1 to $8. Buy one, get one 50% off on your Harvest decorations. But these are the deals that we are after. Okay? You've got 2 for $15 per sale. And you've got a double dip deal. Now this looks like it is a yellow coupon. Okay? Which means it's a manufactured coupon. So it will work with that store coupon. Same goes with the Brawny, 3 for $10. Looks like it's a manufacturer, maybe. It's got the yellow. It just says DG Digital Coupons. Usually, store coupons are in the black. But the 3 for $10 Brawny and the 2 for $15 for sale, well, yeah, there's, we need a little bit more to do that Brawny extra $5 off, but we're going to do that one. And it will work out even better if we did it on Saturday, because it will still be available to you on Saturday. Now, this is one of the coupons that we're going to talk about today. $15.95 on the 45 count assorted. Goes on sale tomorrow. However, and you do have some coupons that will work on that. Well, it looks like this is a coupon. I wonder if this is going to be... We need to check this out. A big 45 count Tide for $15.95 with a digital coupon. We'll have to wait and see what that does. But this is different from the deal that I'm going to show you that you can do any day of the week. Now, we've got a sale on 3 for $5 on the Hormel products. Today, they're 3 for $6. So, 3 for $5 tomorrow. 2 for $6 tomorrow on your arm, $3 a piece. And put that in a 5 off 25. That's going to be a good deal. Take a look at this incredible laundry deal. All of these items on this deal are a PG item. So this is pretty much going to be a combination of a double dip and a triple dip deal all together, guys. So, screenshot, follow along. Hopefully it's not too advanced for beginners. We're going to pick up the Gillette razor. We've got a $3 off on that. We're going to pick up some Tide Pods. We've got a $5.75 Tide Pod with a double dip of $2.05 and one of 50 cents. The 50 cent is a store coupon. The Save 5 is working on this, and the Spend 15, Get 5 on your next purchase is also working on this. Next thing we're picking up is the Gain Super Size Flings 32 count Dewdrop Dream Scent. Wow. What a tongue tire. These are $16.95, but there's a dollar offer. So like a dollar off on this particular scent, okay? So they are going to be $15.95. You've got a huge double dip on these. You've got a $2.05 store coupon. You've got a, manufacturer coupon and a $4 store coupon for this item. And your 5 off 25. And your 5 off when you spend 15 for your next purchase. All those will apply for this. Next item is the is the Dawn Squeeze. I have already used my $2 coupon on this account for that. Did not realize it till I pulled it up. But I've already used it. So when we get to our totals, we're going to be subtracting this $2 coupon because hopefully you still have it. Next up is a Febreze car and a Febreze small spaces. These have $2 coupons each. And all of the appropriate coupons are attaching to both. Now this is the math of this deal. You're at $38.95. Well over where you need to be for your store coupons to apply. You've got $20.60 in coupons coming off alone. That is a phenomenal deal. Saving $20 right out the gate on laundry detergent, no less. Your dollar off, okay? Your actual out-of-pocket is going to be $18.35, okay? $18.35 is going to be your actual out-of-pocket. You only need to spend $15 out-of-pocket on these PG items to get your 5 off your next purchase. So you're going to get your 5 off your... Okay, voiceover here because I forgot about our $2 Dawn coupon. So our final out-of-pocket will be $16.35. Even better, and a better winner. Next purchase added on to your digital account within a few minutes of doing this transaction, okay? So your out-of-pocket walking out of the store before taxes is $18.35. And why is that such a phenomenal deal? Because your original price on your Gain pods was $16.95. So after you get your 5 off your next purchase, you're actually looking at $11 and change final out-of-pocket for this phenomenal deal. So that's pretty much purchasing it with taxes and getting all this other stuff for free. Yes, winner. Chicken dinner. Okay, now Keep in mind, you can use this with the 10 off of 40, but you will have to go up to 44.50. So you will have to be at 44.50. Won't be hard to do. You just add you some more laundry products or some paper products. This is a similar deal, getting most of the same products, but getting a lower out-of-pocket for those of you who are looking for the low out-of-pocket and not so much bang for your buck, okay? Because everybody has their own way of doing things. So we kind of made some adjustments, and we don't need to have that many products, and we have a much lower out-of-pocket, and we still getting a little bit of everything. So we're going to pick up a Scott toilet paper, the 6 count. You've got a $1 off coupon, making that $2.05 with your 5 off 25. You got Gillette sensor razors that we're picking up. We got your Tide Pods we're picking up, the Dawn dish, and the 2 Febreze products. We got rid of the Gain product, okay? That was the big ticket item. And of course, you can use that in several other deals, okay? You could actually do that in almost in a deal by itself because of the cost of it. You just got to add a $6 PG product, and then you can use that Gain deal by itself, freestanding. But this one is $26.75. And remember, we do not have the $2 coupon for the Dawn on this because I've already used it. So if you have it, this will be your totals, okay? You'll be getting $17.55 off in coupons. So you'll actually be only paying $10.20 for this set of items. After everything is said and done, your out-of-pocket's going to be $10.20 for 6 items, and that's a winner chicken dinner all day long with a lower out-of-pocket. So 2 ways to do the deal. And of course, you don't have to do the 5 off of 25 at any point. You can go in and pick up any of these deals with your leftover change from your lunch. So on your way home, if you've got $2.12 left in your lunch, from your lunch money, or from your day spending, then you can stop and pick you up some Tide products. Okay? Because they're going to be $3 and some change. You can stop and pick you up a Dawn. It's going to be $2 and some change. And if you combine just the Tide and the Dawn together, so both the Tide and the Dawn would be $5.25 for both of those items. So pretty much you purchasing your Tide and getting your Dawn for free. So like I said, you don't have to do them all together. You can mix and match them. You're out of pocket. You know, in the end will be more if you don't put them together. So, blessings, and I'll talk to you again real soon with a lot more deals because we got so much going on, and you know you want to know.